Serbisyo TV na mayroong puso po yun, no? Yun po yung Serbisyo TV. Ito pong sinagawang operation po naman ng Tactical Operations Group 1 ng Philippine Air Force sa pagtulungan ng Office of Civil Defense. Nagsagawa po sila ng airlift operations noong isang araw sa yun po yung part po ng kanilang relief efforts sa probinsya po ng Abra. Mabot po ng mahigit 1,900 family food packs na pinabay po naman ng DSWD Cordillera in coordination with the provincial local government unit ng Abra. At yan po naman ay matagumpay na na-deliver sa remote municipalities po ng Tinid at Minacob. Magungunitang yung mga area na yan ay apektado po sa magkasamang southwest monsoon. Yung impact po ng southwest monsoon, yung habagat at saka yung tropical cyclone sa mga karadyo. So the award is a job well done sa panig po ng Tactical Operations Group 1, TOG-1 ng Philippine Air Force at ng Office of Civil Defense sa Cordillera Administrative Region sa inyo pong matagumpay na operasyon. Nagpalabas na naman po ng revise sa guidelines on class and work suspension as per DepEd Order number 22 series of 2024. Ito na po yung tinutumbok natin kanina na revise sa guidelines on class and work suspension in schools during disasters and emergencies. The DepEd Order number 22 series of 2024 outlines the guidelines for suspending face-to-face classes during disasters or emergencies to ensure safety of students, teachers, and non-teaching staff from harm brought by hazards and disasters. Una na dito sa suspension of classes sa DepEd Order 22 series of 2024 typhoons and tropical cyclones. The suspension of classes due to typhoons and tropical cyclones will follow sa pag-asa tropical cyclone yung signal. Ito. Signal number 2 naman, face-to-face classes for kindergarten, elementary hanggang sa junior high school or grade 10 in the affected area.
Iritsum lang dyan, tiwiting kini rin para naman.
Automatically suspended. Modular distance learning. Performance tasks, projects, or backup classes based on their learning and service continuity plan. Okay? Tropical cyclone wind signal number 3 naman, classes and work in all levels. Kapag signal number 3 na. Sa signal number 1, kindergarten. Signal number 2, kindergarten 2, grade 10 lang. Ito naman yung kapag signal number 3, all classes na, all levels na, hanggang college.
Makanawan. Diyan ka naman.
Areas will be automatically suspended ko na naman. So yan suspension of classes.
Diritsum.
Kapag learning naman,
Reading nga gate nga rita, hindi tibol nga rin. Hindi lamisan.
students can expose to various risks in the affected areas and based on the assessment of the school. The SDS, School Division Superintendent,